Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hadassah and we are back on the purple couch. So I have another unboxing for you. This is, yeah, my information isn't on this side, so I actually have not opened this yet. It's been sitting here for a couple of days and I waited so I could get on camera and unbox it with you guys. So, I have to make handle this one open. Or woman handle. There we go. Okay. So, oh, look at this. Oh, I don't know if I can show this. It's Fashionphile. So they always have the best packaging. So, what we have in here, we have a Fashionphile nail file, and it says, oh, is it washing out? Yeah, but anyway, on the other side it says, I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet. Very true. There's some kind of card here, super cute. There's confetti everywhere. So let's open up this card. Okay, so this just has my receipt. And also one good thing about Fashionphile is they will actually buy your bag back from you. So it says, we want this bag back. So that's that. And then they have a thank you card and their logo in heart form on the back, which is super cute. And there's a calendar in here, y'all. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so it has like a Louis Vuitton picture. I guess it has a different one for every month. Yeah, but this is super cute, y'all. So pretty. I don't know, there's like major glare off the camera, but yeah. So this is a 2020 calendar. Can't have too many of those. So let's put all this to the side because I see what you're here to see. And this is also, y'all, I'm venturing into new brands. Apparently that's what 2020 is about, new brands. Not just Louis Vuitton. So, you see the bag, can't see it yet. And of course their sticker that says used is the new. So I'm gonna tear that off. And so they give you a dust bag, even if the bag comes with one. I'm not sure if this one came with a dust bag or not, but their dust bags are like really thick and good quality. And of course, they say Fashionphile. So, I'm gonna open this up. Oh, wow. Wow. Y'all, look at what I got. So let me fasten this up, I guess, so you can see what it actually looks like. This is the Fendi Mama Baguette, and it is in the black nylon print. So because I don't know, sometimes I like the Fendi print, sometimes I don't. So that's why I got the nylon version. This bag is like really big. I'm surprised. I mean, I know like everyone has been saying like that it holds a lot and everything, but I've never seen one out in the wild or in real life, I guess you would say, so I didn't know. But anyway, so in case you aren't familiar, this is the Fendi logo right here, and then we have a strap right here, so you can definitely wear it on your shoulder comfortably, and it sits right there. What I actually want to do is I want to get a silver chain, and I want to attach it here and here and carry it like that. So I really like these little details. It says Fendi on the side right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. And this is the back. It's just like a super simple bag. And then you open it up and take out this bubble wrap. Oh, there it is. So this one actually did come with the dust bag. So let's see what that looks like. I really stuffed it down here in the bottom. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is the Fendi dust bag. Yeah, you guys can see that. So it's surprisingly big. I mean, the bag is big, but I don't know if it's that big. So this is super cute. So now I have 2 dust bags. And so on the inside, let me show you guys. So the inside is like this, and it's like just a black hole. And it has a zipper pocket right here. And on the other side, it doesn't have anything. It just has like a tag on the inside that says Fendi. And yeah, this looks like it holds a lot. So I'm super excited about it. And you definitely want to put a lot in it too if you want it to hold this shape, because you see how it's kind of like just going everywhere, because it's a nylon bag. So you know how nylon is. So it's just a magnetic closure right here, so right there, and then it kind of finds itself. So yeah, this is my newest bag. And also I already told you I want to get a silver strap. Also I want to get some pearls. You know how everybody's putting like pearls across their bag like this? I think that would be super cute, because I want to like jazz this up. And also I've been thinking, I don't know if I'm going to go through with it or not, but I've been thinking that I might want to, because this buckle, I mean, it's a used bag, but this buckle is kind of scratched up. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's a little bit scratched up. I think I might want to strass this or bedazzle it. I guess the grown-up word is strass. So I think I might want to get this logo strassed, and like that would make it like super duper cute. So yeah, basically this bag is a blank canvas for me, and I just want to jazz it up, I guess you could say. So I'm super excited about this. And of course with Fashionphile, it says remove this tag on the bag. So once you take this tag off, then you cannot return the bag. Like I said, they will buy the bag back from you, but it'll be for a lesser price than what you paid for it. So yeah, so Fendi Neoprene Mama Baguette Black. And that's my latest bag, guys. I'm super duper excited. This bag is really in excellent condition, which I think they had it listed as very good, and that's very true. This is very good. So I'll definitely come back and show you guys once I've decided exactly what I want to do with the bag, and of course how it looks. And also there will of course be pictures over on my Instagram, so please follow me over on Instagram. I'll have the link down below in the description box. And once again, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers. I love all of you guys. And if you're not subscribed yet, please be sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and leave your comments down below. So see you guys next time. Bye.